Okay, our second service call for the Sunday, um, January 21st, I believe today. No heat call for this old furnace. Okay, I crank up the thermostat upstairs. This is my first time here. Just gonna see what's going on. Okay, the pilot is on. Okay, look like somebody already opened it up. Okay, so first thing first is I would check for the thermostat if it's calling. So let me trace this back up. Right here, if I can jumper it, it goes straight up there. So there's nothing in there that I could jumper. Take a look here. That goes right there. Wow, that's pretty weird filter. This is just very old. Okay, let's put the back in here. There's no call for anything. So what we're gonna do first is to jumper the thermostat wire. If it's the thermostat wire, let me get my tools. There's two wires here. I'm trying to jumper it if it works. Okay, that's what is it. So the thermostat is broken. So you need to change the thermostat for it to work. Okay, because look at this. So when you jumper this, you hear the click. Wait for a little bit. See? Still works. So it still works. So it's the thermostat that's broken. So that should be the issue for today. I'm just gonna change the thermostat because it's just an old one. I mean, it's not old, but they're not very good for this kind of system. Okay, I'm gonna go up there and just take a look and see how it goes. Okay, let's go down and see what you want. Okay, it's thermostat problem. Look. Wait for a little bit because it's slowly, the gas bulb slowly open. See that? And it's working, right? I'm gonna wait for it for the blower to kick on. Make sure that the blower is running. Just gonna wait for the blower. Make sure the blower is running. Like that switch there has to make a contact for the blower to run. Just gonna wait. Once the blower runs, then we're good. It's just the thermostat needs to be replaced, a defective one. It's a newer one, but it's the defective one. It takes time for it to heat up, and then we'll kick back the blower. I'm also gonna check if that thing there is new. It looks like it's new. The belt looks new. But if it's not new or it's loose, it will make a squeaky noise. But this thing here is really old. Well, that is still not running. It has to kick on. Come on. Limit switch, kick on. Turn on the fan. There you go. Okay, the fan still works. Alright, I'm gonna go on that, let the fan cool down. It's just the thermostat broken. Okay, that's how you troubleshoot it.